Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the NX-iTouch and how it connects to the iPhone. So this is an iPhone I have. It's the iPhone XR. As you can see in the camera, nice and clear, hopefully. So yeah, so this is 2018 model, I would say. And what you can do is you can connect your iPhone with Apple CarPlay to this device called the NX-iTouch, and it has a lot of different functionalities. But for today, we're going to be talking about the Apple CarPlay, okay? So first, how you want to, so right now it's already connected. So I'm going to show you how to connect the iPhone to the Apple CarPlay device or the NX-iTouch screen. So what you want to do is, as you can see, there's a knob here. So down here where my finger is, this is a knob that you can twist, and this is the return button, and this navi is short for navigation. This is navigation. So if I click on this, you're going to see the navigation come on, and if I press the back, it's going to go back to the previous screen. So those are what these buttons do. Now next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the Apple CarPlay, and I'll show you how. So turn that off. Okay, so this is what we'll do. So now just connect. Okay, we don't want that. Let's go back. So now, okay, you see this is the regular home screen that you see here, and there's a lot of functions. So this is an Android device, and in this Android device there's a lot of different features, but the feature we're going to be talking about is the Apple CarPlay. So how do you connect your iPhone to the screen using Apple CarPlay? Well, there's two methods. So the first method is you can connect the regular iPhone cable. So this is a lightning cable. Apple CarPlay only works for iPhone 5 and above. So the 5S, 5, the 6, the 6S, the 7, the 8, 8 Plus, the iPhone 10, 11, and 12. It does not work for the iPhone 4, the 4S, or the iPhone 3GS. None of those models would work, as you would need a lightning cable that I have here. What you want to do is go to the home screen, so here, and what you do is you would just connect. As you can see, you connect the cable to your iPhone, and then you're gonna see it's charging, and now Apple CarPlay should be connected, as you can see. So it's connected without using Bluetooth. Yeah, so as you can see, my Bluetooth is off, as you can see, and we're connected. So you don't need to have Bluetooth to connect to the device, and you can use all of the apps here, and then you can read messages. So let's say I click on WhatsApp, and then you can read one message. If it says anything. So there we go. Now we know it's connected. Now I'll show you the second method of connecting the iPhone to the device. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect it now, and then you're going to watch the screen revert back to its home screen. So I'm going to unplug it, and then it goes back. Apple CarPlay disconnected. Now, the second method of connecting the iPhone to the NX-iTouch using Apple CarPlay is using Bluetooth. So what we would want to do is you want to turn on Bluetooth, as you can see. So as you can see, it's green. So this is called BT1360. So this is the one that's gonna do the NX-iTouch. And this one above here is this is the Audi native Bluetooth system. So that's where you do your regular Bluetooth calling, but we're gonna connect the BT1360. So if I click that, it's gonna connect. As you can see, it's spinning. Now it's connected, and now you can see this Apple CarPlay logo is spinning, and it says it's connecting. So give it a few seconds. I would give it about 10 seconds, and then after that it should be connected. As you can see, it's connected here, and it's connecting on the screen. And I'm going to connect the other Audi as well. So now it's connected to the Bluetooth system and to the device, this device. Okay, so as you can see, it takes a bit of time to load or to connect at first, but once it's connected, it takes about 5 seconds roughly to connect. So we'll give it a few seconds while it's connecting, and then from here you can start going into your other devices or other apps. So when it does that, it just means that you have to, it's the iPhone X. So my name is James. You can say iPhone X or James, that's me. You can go back, you can press the back button here, and then you can press the auto link. The auto link is what connects your phone to the device. So as you can see, it's connecting, and then as you will soon see, it's going to connect Apple CarPlay. Okay, so we're almost done. You just have to be patient, and I'm going to show you some of the apps that we can use on this. When you connect the Bluetooth, you got to make sure CarPlay is on. So you see my CarPlay is off, so you got to turn it on, and that should connect to the screen. And here you can change your audio to the car stereo, the headphone. You can connect it to a hearing aid, a speaker, or other. So those are the options you have. So there you go. So as you can see, we're going to connect it again, and hopefully it should be connected now because we have CarPlay selected. And here you can also change the name. So right now it's called BT160. I would call it the NX-iTouch, as you can see on my screen. Okay, so you put I. So there we go. So we got the name for the NX-iTouch, and now you have the phone connected to Apple CarPlay without any wires, and it's all connected via Bluetooth. So again, this is the NX-iTouch that I just showed here. You can click the link below to check more details about it, and right now they are offering free shipping, and if you use the coupon code, Auto Tech Advice 10, you will get 10% off on this device. Again, the one that you see here is the 12.3 inch NX-iTouch. There is the 10.25 inch iTouch, which is slightly smaller, so you can check it out below. They have, you can use the coupon code Auto Tech Advice to get 10%, Auto Tech Advice 10 to get 10% off for this month. Right now, we're putting the glove box back. A few things about putting the glove box back is that you need to put these little small screws back underneath the glove box. Now, underneath the glove box, you're gonna see a black plastic styrofoam, and in the black plastic styrofoam there's going to be 3 screws, and you're going to use each of these screws to screw them back in. So that's what I'm going to do right now. You can't really see it, but back here there are some screws, and I'm just screwing them back in right now. Next thing we have to put back is this piece. So this goes to the bottom right side. Down here, can't see, but you'll see when you get under here. So over here is where this black piece of plastic goes. Give it a nice wiggle. You have to scoop down here a bit. Alright, so it's good enough. And now the glove box is back, like where it should be, all in one place, and we are done. So now we see it opens and it closes. So that is how you put the glove box back in its place. And here, as you can see, we have the NX-iTouch completely installed. No problemo, as you can see. And all we did was we used this ratchet. This is again an 8mm ratchet head with an extending socket holder with the ratchet handle. So there you go. And again, you can detach it like this, and you can detach the head as well, like this. So they all come in 3 different pieces. So I did have to buy each of these separately. You can just buy the 8mm head. I bought this in a pack of 3, so they have a long one, and then they also had a short one, and then they had a medium size one. And then I just got the ratchet handle. So you can get this at Home Depot or Walmart. They also sell it on the website at Mr. Housebody if you want to get it. Basically, these are the tools that you need to install the NX-iTouch. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and then leave a comment on any questions you have. I could do another detailed demonstration of how to put the glove box back, and I will also do a second video on how to stabilize the glove box so it's easier to put it back just by yourself, so you don't need to have someone holding the glove box. I can also show you how you can do it just by yourself. So and also don't forget to subscribe. We do like people who subscribe because it does help us grow, and we appreciate that. So thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.